The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is a tankless mechanical keyboard aimed squarely at FPS gamers, and it largely delivers on that promise. Its ultra-compact design sheds the number pad, freeing up valuable desk space for sweeping mouse movements. This minimalist approach also makes it incredibly portable, aided by the detachable cable. At its core, the Alloy FPS Pro boasts Cherry MX red switches. These linear switches are known for their smooth, quiet actuation, making them ideal for fast-paced gaming where split-second reactions are crucial. They require minimal force to actuate, which can be a blessing or a curse depending on your typing style. If you're prone to accidental keystrokes, the sensitivity might take some getting used to. However, for gaming, the responsiveness is fantastic. The keyboard features a solid steel frame, giving it a reassuring heft and durability. While it lacks dedicated media keys, you can access media controls via the function keys. The red LED backlighting is bright and even, with several dynamic lighting effects to choose from. While the single color might not appeal to everyone, it keeps the aesthetic clean and focused. The game mode disables the Windows key, preventing accidental interruptions mid-game. The 100% anti-ghosting and N-key rollover ensure that every key press registers, even during complex combos. Overall, the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is a compelling option for gamers seeking a compact, responsive, and no-frills mechanical keyboard. It prioritizes performance and portability, making it a great choice for competitive play and on-the-go gaming. The Cherry MX red switches provide a satisfying typing experience for gaming, but might not be ideal for heavy typing sessions. If you're looking for a dedicated FPS keyboard without breaking the bank, the Alloy FPS Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.